Welcome to Adverse World. Today we are opening a Magic Mixies Series 3 2-pack, and it has 2 Magic Mixies. So we are ready to be unboxing this. So I've opened 2 1-packs before, but I don't know if I've recorded them. So we first have to unbox the plastic. Then we have to open this. So we might get one duplicate, because I've opened one before. Well, this is really hard to open. So we got this off. So if we rub this, I don't know if it gives. So I don't know if we have to push this. So we do. So let's see who we have. So we have 2 Mixlings. So there's 1 glowing and 1 luckling. So we have 2 magic. This is so hard to open. Why won't this open? Oh yeah. Now it's open. So we've got So I don't know if some of them are only in the 2-packs. Still not open. So I think this is what they... So this is now me not showed, and then so this has a heart on the back. So I don't know what happens if we use it one on the wrong one. So now I opened. So when we keep it a bit close, it like falls down. So now let's see in the collector's guide who is. So we got a glowing and a lockling. So now we've got to open this. Wow, this is really tight. So this is the collector's guide. Why is it twisted? I'm going to start with... So this is what the collector's guide is like. So I think we have Goobu or the Gekla, and we have Paxley. I wonder what happens if we use it on the wrong one. Nothing happens if we use it on the wrong Mixie. So it's fine if we have at least one of each one. So I have already Zinkle and Tuglin. And thanks. I've not. So we have. So the boat are common. So let's put the lid here. Oh, I did not know that this. So we can make some potions in here, but I'm making the next episode because I did not see this here. So this is step number 1, step number 2, step number 3 is that potion sprinkle powder, and number 4 we need is 2 cups of water, but we have to do that before we get this out. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye bye. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Bye bye.